Trial balance. Do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get early notifications. Now what are the topics? What is trial balance? Objectives for preparing trial balance, features of trial balance and limitations of trial balance. What is trial balance? A trial balance is the list of closing balances of all the ledger accounts which are compiled into debit and credit column totals that are equal. What are the objectives for preparing trial balance? To check arithmetical accuracy, like trial balance is based on the double entry principle where debit is always equal to credit or credit is equal to debit. Now it provides the basis for the preparation of final account. Trial balance is the statement of the debit and credit balances of the ledger accounts. Hence it provides the basis for the preparations of final account. Now to summarize the financial transaction. A business performs several number of financial transactions. Trial balance is prepared with a view to summarize all the financial transactions. It helps to locate accounting error. Trial balance indicates if there is any error committed in the journal or ledger because the starting point of locating error is trial balance itself. Now what are the features of trial balance? Trial balance is prepared on a specific date. Trial balance contains the list of all ledger accounts including cash account. The total of the debit and the credit column of the amount must be equal. The difference between the debit and the credit side of the trial balance points out some mistake. If both the debit and the credit side have same total, it does not mean that there is no mistake in accounting. What are the limitations of trial balance? The omission of entry in a daybook or a subsidiary book by accountant, wrong amount entered by the accountant during journal entry. If the accountant does not make the proper allocation of the ledger head at the time of posting of journal entry, such error is called the error of principle. If the accountant makes an excess debit or excess credit entry, although the same being neutralized by excess credit or excess debit, such error is recognized as error of compensation. Now, wrong posting of account means that the accountant has posted the entry to the wrong account, although to the correct side, be it a debit or a credit. Now here are some problems regarding trial balance and their solution is also provided. Now prepare a trial balance for Sunshine Brothers Private Limited. Description and the amount are given. Now come to solution. First we have to draw 4 or 5 columns. Like if we want, we can omit the reference number column. First is serial number, second particulars, third reference number, fourth debit and fifth is credit. First is prepaid rent. Prepaid rent that is debited. Outstanding salaries is credited. Sundry debtors is debited. Earned revenues is credited. Bills payable credited. Marketable securities is debited. Bank loan is credited. Equipment is debited. Maintenance expenses is debited. Accrued expenses is credited. Vendors payable is credited. Insurance expenses debited. Owner's investment credited. Rent and rates debited. Accrued depreciation on equipment credited. Machinery debited. Drawings debited. Miscellaneous expenses debited. Depreciation expenses on equipment is also debited. Unexpired insurance is debited. The total of the debit and the credit side is 1,32,000. Both amount are same. It shows that the trial balance prepared is correct. Okay, to another, like prepare a trial balance for the year ended 31st March 2019 for the balances of Mrs. Rupak Shah. Problem is given, again solution. Now we have to draw 4 columns, serial number, particulars, debit and credit. First is drawing. Drawing is debited 74,800. Again purchase is debited. Capital is credited. Discount allowed is debited. Rent is debited. Printing charges is debited. Insurance is debited. Discount received is credited. Machinery is debited. Opening stock is debited. Bills receivable is debited. Furniture debited. Sales is credited. Freight is debited. Sundry creditors is credited. Sundry expense is debited. Bank loan is credited. Income tax is debited. Bills payable is credited. Now closing stock. There are two stock in this problem. Now first one is stock 30,000, that is opening stock, and another stock is given in over here. It is written 31st March 2019, means it is a closing stock. Now closing stock will not appear in the trial balance. The total of the debit and the credit side is 8,13,050. The amount in the debit side and the credit side are tallying. Thanks for watching.